My name is Eric Almeida, and I am the Department Chair for the Automotive Technology program. So every student, when they start the program, they just want to be in the shop. They just want to work with their hands, the tools, the cars, but we have to start in the classroom. We have to teach them the basics first. Once they understand the basics, then we can move on to the hands-on piece. We're teaching them a skill set so they can be gainfully employed. And the best way to do that is to have input from the employers as to what they're looking for in their employees and the technology that they expect them to know and want them to know. Right now, we've got a lot of things going on in the automotive program. We've got an EV program that we're trying to develop now. There's been talks of a diesel program and even talks of a marine program. But right now our concentration is on EV because we believe that's where the future is. We've applied for multiple grants to help fund our endeavors, but we also need to expand our vision for the program. We want to be the innovators. We want to be the people that are setting the standards. So that's what my team is doing. We're really trying hard to make sure that we're the first to the table with this technology. Our program is expensive to run. It's a lot of expensive equipment, a lot of new technology. It's going to take partnerships. It's going to take the institution understanding that this is going to be a continuing, evolving program and that there's going to need to be money allocated for that.
My name is Anthony Pugnano and I'm a fixed ops manager from the Government Auto Group. It is very important to have trained technicians going to schools and being trained. I've now personally worked with the Mount. I have seen the students that we've hired grow over the past 6 months or so. It's a lot better having a trained technician coming in that's already been trained from an automotive school than trying to train them themselves. I know a lot of technicians that actually work for us did graduate from here in the 20+ stores that we do have. So there is a huge demand for technicians across the board. However, we are seeing a higher demand for EV trained technicians as those vehicles are hitting the market a lot quicker and a lot sooner than anybody expected. Come 2027, there will be 50% of vehicles being sold will be EV vehicles. To have trained technicians coming in with EVs already have a step ahead. It is very important to have students trained in the electrical field for the electric vehicles. When the next 10, 15, 20 years, you're not going to see a lot of ICE vehicles there. So students coming in now will be working on those from the very start at dealership, and we'll be able to grow through everything and understand those more than my age technicians that are there now.